Hi guys, welcome back to my review channel Product Secrets. Today again I'm going to share another small review video that is about this body lotion by Nivea Natural Glow Cell Repair Lotion. In the package, it is mentioned that this body lotion provides SPF 15 sun protection as well as gives natural glow to the skin and also repairs the cell. It will even tone your skin and comes with vitamin C, which is great for the skin in removing the unwanted cells and gives glow to the skin. In this packaging, it says that it has 50 times vitamin C and camu camu ingredient, which brightens your skin and repairs sun damage. It is suitable for all skin types. So here I have this in 200 ml quantity bottle. Its MRP price given is 299 rupees. And I know it's quite expensive, but if you buy this from supermarkets and online websites, you can easily get this in huge discounts, so you can please go and check it out. The texture of this lotion is very light but little watery, and if you apply this on your body, it fastly absorbs on the skin. It is very good especially during summers because its consistency and texture is non-sticky. It is non-sticky as well as non-greasy. So friends, if you are also looking for a body lotion that is light, non-sticky and fast absorbing, then you can definitely buy this product for yourself. So this Nivea lotion comes in a white color bottle packaging and has a flip-flops caps for opening and removing the lotion. So it has a very compact packaging and it is very convenient to use it. So if you apply this one, it will keep your skin hydrated, fresh throughout the day. Also, it somehow even tone your skin as well. I have experienced that also, as I have been using this now for over a month. So if your skin gets dull with the sun, you can definitely try this lotion. It will vanish all the dullness from the skin and also it will give a slight toning of your skin. Also guys, if I talk about its fragrance, is that it is a very good fragrance. It is not so strong, it's mild and pleasant to have. So overall it is a very good body lotion. If you are looking for a product that has SPF 15, vitamin C and which even tones the skin, then this body lotion is definitely for you. So friends, that's it all about my quick review of Nivea body lotion. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. Then please give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, because I come up with lots of review videos in my channel. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video.